Hello everyone and welcome to the Microsoft Excel session. In this session we're going to learn the if function. If function is quite common and a very useful tools in certain circumstances. For example, if I like to check a data, I can use the if function. Under the if function there are few categories we have. We have a count if, we have a if, so there are few things we can do under the if section. Today we're going to use the if function for checking the data. So let's have a look. We have some raw data here. We can see we have a budgeted result, we have an actual result, and we have a variance analysis. Now we can see here our operating profit under the budget is 33,000 and the actual is 89,800 and the variance is 56,800. Now variance comes from this data, from the sum result. Now I like to check, is it the difference actual minus budgeted, because this one 56,800 should match this actual profit minus the budgeted profit. That means if I have actual 89,800 and if I take away 33,000, it should give me 56,800 that I have from this result. For example, I can show you if I make the auto sum, so it gives me 56,800, but I like to double check this is agreed or not. Let's have a look how can I use this if function to check this data. All I need to do, if any formula I like to use in Excel, I have to start with the equal sign. So I put the equal sign, and after that I type if. Once I type the if, you need to choose the if function, and once I have this function, I like to tell my Excel actual minus budgeted should equal to the variance. So I press this one, actual minus budgeted, close the bracket, equal to this one. So this is my assumption, this is my instruction to the Excel. So if D16 minus C16 should equal to E16, so then I'll put a comma sign. If this is right, then I'll say show this one as agreed. If not, then I'll put another comma. If not, then check. So this is my instruction to the Excel. I have to add one more bracket because I put another bracket at the end. So what is my understanding here? I'm telling to the Excel, if this one actual 89,800 minus 33,000, 56,800, then say agreed. If it is doesn't match, then say check. Now how I say that? If, then bracket, then I select this one actual, then I put the minus sign, then I choose this one, then I put the equal sign, then I choose this one E16, then I put the comma. Every single time if you use the Excel formula, you need to make sure you use the comma sign before you go to the next step. So every time if you do the logical test, if you go to the value, you have to go with the commas. So once I'm happy with that, I'll press enter to check the formula. So I can see this one says agreed. So I can write any word I like. So it's not like just agreed. You can write anything you like. So that means the software telling me I'm agreed, this minus this gives me this one. So software is agree. Now if I like to change this one, for example, 56,800, I like to make it 20,000. If I make 20,000, you'll see as soon as I change this amount, it will say check, because it is wrong. Excel telling me it is not the right one, because this one and minus this one should be 56. It is wrong. So I can go back by Ctrl Z. So basically I can use the if function, depends on my requirement on the organization. I can set up this formula for any reason, any of the data is changed here. For example, if I change any data here on the top, on the revenue, if I said 170,000, and because of that everything will be changed, and you can see the if function telling me check because the data is not right, and if it is right, that it will be agreed. That means anything will be changed all over this range of the data, and for any reason if any of the amount is changed, then my status will be changed. The outcome from the Excel, it will be changed. It will tell me check. Check means something is wrong, I have to check, and agreed means absolutely fine, go ahead. That, so that's how we can use the if function, depends on our requirement.